Ever pondered the secret to attracting more views on your YouTube videos? What if there was a recipe, a blueprint that could enable you to gain not just hundreds, but thousands, even millions of views? Today, we unravel the mystery behind this digital phenomenon. Step 1. It's all about the content. Nothing pulls in a crowd like unique, engaging, and quality content. Whether it's a vlog, tutorial, or a product review, ensure it's something your audience can't find elsewhere. Make it intriguing, make it entertaining, and above all, make it worth their time. Step 2. The importance of thumbnails cannot be overstated. Thumbnails are essentially the cover of your video book. A compelling, visually appealing thumbnail can be the difference between a viewer clicking on your video or scrolling past it. So, invest time and creativity in designing a thumbnail that accurately represents your content and piques curiosity. Step 3. Master the SEO game. Understanding search engine optimization for YouTube is crucial. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. This increases the chances of your video appearing in search results when someone searches for content similar to yours. Step 4. Leverage the power of social media. Share your video across various platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This not only increases your reach, but also boosts the chances of your video being shared by others. Step 5. Consistency is key. Regularly uploading videos keeps your channel active and your audience engaged. It also increases your visibility on the platform, so create a schedule and stick to it. Step 6. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. This encourages viewers to subscribe and return to your channel, increasing your view count over time. In summary, to increase your YouTube views, focus on creating unique and engaging content. Pay attention to your thumbnails and optimize your video for search. Share your content across social media platforms. Maintain consistency in uploading and engage with your viewers. Remember, there's no shortcut to success. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of hard work. But with the right strategies and a bit of creativity, you can definitely make your mark on the YouTube platform. Good luck and happy YouTubing!